safe. Their loyal friends need help, patiently waiting for their turn. 13 horses swimming in the sea. They don't even know it's pointless. The pride remains, but this time it won't help. They used to be so tall, and suddenly they're small. There's a couple way too far behind. Soon they will be out of sight. But then who cares? They're dying anyway. All of them are doomed this night.
По-моему, на МАКСе впервые люди увидели мертвую петлю на вертолете.
Swimming in the sea they thought was just the river. They're used to this. It's probably just a race that helps to ease their minds. But where's the finish line? The night grows dark, the body wants to rest. It hurts to breathe, and still they do their best. They want to live, no matter for how long. Their thoughts have disappeared, 'cause now they're pretty scared. 7 horses struggling in the sea, waiting for someone to find them. They don't look back, 'cause what's the point of that? There is only death behind them. They cry for help, but help will never come. They don't know where to swim or what they're swimming from. They try to swim some more when panic starts to spread. They're swimming into shore, but only in their heads. The 3 last horses dying in the sea, shouting out their cries for no one. They're born to win. They're screaming in their hearts, the strength of 1,000 men. They're fighting till the end.
Ну вот мы, кажется, дождались гвоздя сегодняшней программы. Сейчас будет взлетать сухой суперджет. Наконец-то мы дождались, когда в постсоветской России построили, разработали что-то новое, не считая Ансата. Что же касается сухого суперджета, то это все-таки пока опытный образец. Это дискуссия о перспективе российской авиации, а не о реальности. К концу года начнутся серийные поставки. Вот на следующем МАКСе и посмотрим.
One horse still swims, it seems to be the last. The 13th horse has always been the best. His owner will be proud, but now he wants to rest. He's longing for his home, the girl will give him food. Good boy, she'll say, together they will play. 13 horses swimming in the sea, soon they will be gone.